you.
Walay manok.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Ganda ng lalamunan ni Kuya.
Happy birthday to
Joy.
you.
Nandito na ako ngayon.
Oh, madam, make a wish and
Blue
blow the
daw, blue,
candle.
blue, blue, blue. Sige.
Blow na lagi.
Oh, Naira. Oh.
Ayun! And the winner! Kutsara ng Pilipinas 2025! Madam Marilyn!
Thank you.
Ayan.
Thank you so much.
Now I will read to you the message of the sender. Okay? Dito ka, tabi tayo.
Oh, sige.
Surprise! Happy 61st birthday, Mama. We might be away again for your birthday. But this will be the last one that we will celebrate it apart. Kasi konting kembot na lang, patapos na si baby. And we will all be together again. Thank you for all your hard work and sacrifices for our family. We love you so much, Mama. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Please take care of yourself.
Yan ni Kuya.
Wag na wag mag-extra work and pray at puyat. Happy birthday, Mama. See you soon. Love, Kelin, Ate Joy, Kuya Jenten, Baby Jane, Papa, and Michael.
Thank you so much.
Oh!
Thank you, brother.
Well, welcome. Ay,
Thank
hug
you.
and kiss from your family.
Thank you so
Tagay
much.
man ni Day.
Bisaya man dahil ni
Dili ka
Picture,
Sa manimong message ba? Sa nagpaabot kanimong birthday surprise.
Sa aking mga anak sa Pilipinas, thank you so much. Kay Michael, kay Mary Joy, Mary Jane, at sa aking apo, Kilin. I love you so much.
Ayun.
I
Na-
appreciate this one.
Were you surprised
Yes, of
about
course.
this? Are you happy about it?
Very happy and very surprised.
Oo.
Very
Eh,
thankful.
friends, would you like to give a message to your friend? Come here, come here.
Message ka na.
Diri kayo, oy! Mag-picture man ta.
Bakit dito tayo sa...
Oh.
Message ko sa kanya, with, kasi magkasunidad pa na kami.
Oo.
So, long life.
Sulo ko sa pintura. Wala nga. Wala kang pintura. Kang mga make-up.
Guwapa man lagi.
Pagpatuloy lang niya yung maganda niyang kung ano siya ngayon.
Ayun. O kayo ate, anong message nyo kay ate? Kahit short lang. Oh. Diri man, oh.
Dirimano, happy birthday Ate Marlene. I wish you the best in life, good health and wealth and more happiness. Good
O
luck.
last, finally ate, ikaw na. May video yan, bibigyan na si ate. Oh.
Ayun.
Just one kiss will make everything right. You miss me, my love.
Thank you, Joy. Thank you, Michael. No more tears. No more tears. No more tears.
Happy birthday, Marilyn!
Thank you so much.
Daghang
Thank you.
salamat.
Thank you.
Always better.